or photo is deleted or moved in your device, recover it in your album. So this is actually what you're facing. I was actually facing this problem until I found the solution. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix video or photo is deleted or moved in your device. Recover it in your album. So if you're seeing this on your CapCut, then you need to watch this video in order for you to be able to fix it. So right here is what I'm actually seeing. I was actually working on a project, then I decided to move out from the CapCut app. Going back to the CapCut app, I actually saw this on my editing. Now this editing has actually took me more than 3 hours for me to be able to get it to this stage, so I can't actually leave it just like this or for me to start over again. So I actually found a solution which actually helped me, and I decided to create this video for you. So in order for you to actually solve this problem, you need to move out from your CapCut. You need to go to your file manager or your gallery on your device. So right here, before going to your gallery or file manager, you should actually understand that you're actually saying that because you've actually deleted that photo or video from your phone and it's no longer on your device. So you need to actually get it back from whichever source you actually got it from. If you recorded it and save it somewhere else, you need to move it to the same device you are using to edit that video or photo you want to edit on your CapCut. So in order for you to actually fix that problem, you need to get it back. So right here, in order for you to get it back, you need to go to your gallery or your file manager. Now right here on your gallery or your file manager, looking here, you can see the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. So clicking on it, you're going to see option where you can actually click on recycle bin. So you need to go to recycle bin and recover that same video you've actually deleted. So if you know that particular video or photo you are editing on CapCut, you need to go to it right here on your recycle bin, click on it, select those video you are editing and click on restore. You can see restore at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on that, looking here, it says video restored. So going back to your gallery, you're going to be able to see those photo or video you've actually deleted. You've actually been able to recover it back to your device. So now you need to go back to your CapCut. So going back to your CapCut just like this, let's go back to the project. So going back to the project, as you can see here, this is the project and it's no longer showing that error message it was showing before. So this how simple it is to fix this error message if this is what you're actually seeing on your CapCut. Hope you found this video helpful. Now go ahead and enjoy your editing. All right guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well, and don't forget to like this video. It's really going to help us grow. See you in the next one.